Hello friends, this is Neha Tulshan from Crescent Creation. Today I am here with an Easter card. I am using a stamp set called A Good Egg from Sunny Studio. It's a new company for me and this is a very first stamp from them which I purchased on scrapbookpal.com. So here I am stamping the images from the stamp set using Range's black archival ink on a Strathmore Bristol smooth white cardstock. I'm using archival ink here as I'm gonna use Zig Clean Color markers to color my images. These are watercolor markers and archival inks works best as they get permanent once dried. Strathmore Bristol Smooth Cardstock is really good when it comes to using Zig Clean Color markers. It gives a perfect blend of colors and so far it is the best cardstock I have used. It's a really simple coloring that I am doing here. I'm using 2 or 3 shades of a particular color to color my images. Like here for my bird, I used 2 shades of yellow and for its beak and feet I used orange. Well, I'll not bore you with the whole coloring video here, but if you guys want to know more about these markers and the cardstock to use, do let me know and I will do a detailed video about it. Once finished coloring, I will fussy cut all my images. After fussy cutting, I'm using my Sharpie marker and going around the edges of these images to give them a complete look. Generally, when you fussy cut the images without leaving any white border, you can see white areas all around the edges, which does not give them a complete or finished look. Now for my card here, I'm using a pattern paper from Simon Says Stamp Card Kit. It's a beautiful pattern paper to create a lovely scene. I've also die cut a grass border from a dark green cardstock using a lawn fawn die and sticked it to the pattern paper using some foam tape. For my scene, I wanted to show as if the bird is holding the egg basket. For that, I used my Fiskus knife to cut a little slit around the handle of the basket. Then I slipped in one of the wings of the bird into the slit and using some foam tape stick them onto the panel. I used foam tape to stick the eggs to complete my scene. I moved my images on and under the grass die cut to get a better placement until I was satisfied. Now for the sentiment, I used Happy Easter sentiment from the same stamp set. I inked it up with VersaFine black onyx ink and stamped it on the top right corner of the panel. For the card, I trimmed down a teal blue cardstock and with the help of my ATG tool, I sticked it to a side folding white A2 size note card. And with the help of foam tape, I stick the panel to the card. Now for the finishing touches, I used Wink of Stella glitter pen to add some glitter to all my eggs. I was being careful as Wink of Stella do activate the color on the eggs every time I was cleaning my brush as I jumped colors. I used the white Sigma gel pen to add some dots on the cheek of the bird. This is a great way to add little variations to your stamped images. Lastly, I added some silver sequins with the help of glossy accents to the front of my card. This is the card for today. Thank you for visiting.